Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rain to your video or how to create rain effect in Filmora 11. Okay, so this is a question from one of my subscribers. He wants to add rain effect to the video to create ambient video. And I think it is very simple. Okay, just follow me. It is just some step, very easy. Alright, so for example, here I have a vlog here with an example project I create with Filmora 11. And actually it is a video for my Vietnamese channel. And now at this position, if I want to add some rain effect to this video, all I need to do is to go to stock media inside Filmora 11. Okay, so at the stock media, you want to find a rain overlay with a black background or green background. So it is better to have black background because we can easily remove the black background with the software. Okay, so the first place you want to find the rain effect is Pixabay, or you can find it in Pixel also. It is the same. So go to Pixabay and select video, and now you want to search rain and press enter. Okay, and now try to find the rain overlay with a black background. Okay, just scroll down to find the one that you want to use for your video. Okay, so I think this is very nice. Just double click to download it. Okay, so you have some rain here and with a black background. Okay, and after it was downloaded, all you need to do is to drag and drop it on your timeline. Okay, just click here and drag and drop to the position that you want to create rain effect. Like this. So just remember to put it above your video track, and then we want to remove the black background. So all you need to do is to double click at the overlay. Okay, just double click at the overlay, and now select video and select compositing. So at the compositing you have a drop down menu like this. So you want to select this drop down menu. So select a blending mode. Okay, just click here at the drop down menu and then select screen to remove the black background. Okay, just select screen, and now you have rain effect for your video. Let's play it. Very nice, right? And if you want to duplicate the rain, it is also very easy. All you need to do is to select the video here, and now put the playhead at the beginning of this overlay. You can press Shift Home on your keyboard to bring the playhead to the beginning of the selected clip, and then you can just right click at the selected clip and select copy. Now you need to select the track above it. Okay, just select it here, and then you can press Ctrl V. So this is a way to duplicate the video. Okay, and then you can adjust the position of the second one. Just select here and then select it at the preview window and move it to the left to create more rain. Okay, just play it. Okay, so that's easy, right? And there is another way to duplicate the video or any object on the timeline with a shortcut Ctrl D. For example, if I want to duplicate this rain, all I need to do is to select it, and then I can select the track above it, and now I can press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Let's press Ctrl D. So this is a new one, and then we can move it to here and select it at the preview window and also adjust it a little bit so we have more rain in our video. Okay, that's easy, right? So that is how to add rain effect to your video, and you can do the same to add snow effect, smoke effect, and fire effect or stuff like that. All you need to do is to find an overlay with a black background and then bring it to Filmora, and then you can just put it at the track above the video and select screen at the blending mode option. Okay, so that's everything you want to do to create this special effect. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.